Now, slowly the Britishers started earning more and more money from India. They started earning more and more money, and slowly other Britishers also started entering India. Even other private sectors also started coming India, and without paying any tax, even they were doing the trading business, right? As they were not paying the tax, the collection of Indian tax was getting low day by day. So the people were very much angry, right? So because of that, they come to the point of war, that is Battle of Plassey. Now, Battle of Plassey is considered to be the turning point of Indian history, because at that time, at that particular period, the Britishers started ruling. Okay, that is why it is known as the turning point of Indian history, that is Battle of Plassey. Now, next topic, Battle of Plassey. Now we are going to learn Battle of Plassey in detail, and even Battle of Buxar. Now this two topic, right, it is very important and even interesting too, right? So listen carefully. Now, Ali Vardi Khan, he was the king ruling in Bengal, right? Ali Vardi Khan died in 1756. When he died in 1756. After the death of Ali Vardi Khan, Sirajuddaulah became the Nawab of Bengal, new king. Now Sirajuddaulah was very strict ruler, and even he was like having a strict policies, right? Now, so because of that, there was always conflict between the king and the British East India Company. Okay. Now, the Britishers wanted puppet ruler. Puppet ruler means the ruler who listen to them and do whatever they say, and even allow them for doing the trade without the payment of tax. They want such kind of ruler. Okay. Now, so this was like Sirajuddaulah was totally against it. Okay, so he told them for the compulsory payment of tax, that compulsory they have to pay the tax, then only they can do the trading. Without it, they cannot. Even he strictly told them not to build forts. Okay. After that, Sirajuddaulah asked British company to follow certain rules. In that, first was stop meddling in political affairs, means stop interfering in his political affair. They were continuously interfering in his work. So he requested to the company, he asked to company to stop meddling. Okay, and even to stop fortification. Fortification means to construct defense wall. They used to construct defense wall to means defense themselves, खुद को बचाने के लिए, right? So Sirajuddaulah was also against that stop constructing fortification, that is defensive walls. Okay, and compulsory payment of the revenue. Revenue means money, and that is in the form of tax. That compulsory you have to pay the tax. Okay, now in this way the things started becoming worse. Okay, now the British East India Company, means Sirajuddaulah, he tried to negotiate with British East India Company, but Britishers were not agree with what he was saying, right? So the negotiation between them failed. Negotiation means what? The mutual understanding between the two, but they failed. Okay, in negotiation. Now next, so the Nawab he marched with 30,000 armies in British East India Company. He captured Englishman. He locked the company and even he destroyed the ship and even he disarmed. Disarmed means the guns નીચે રખવાના, right? Disarmed all the weapons from them. Okay.